I thought we spawned in jail. I thought we spawned in jail as well. That's why we got this so fast. Shit, Mikey, we're not gonna make it there in time.
Nope. No, we're gonna have to like wall push.
No, there is way is here. On the other side. Yeah.
Isn't part of it. Can we go up through here though? You can go up through there afterwards, after you spawn. You're spawning in here.
Oh.
Yeah. Coming out of here, it's gonna suck. We're gonna have to wall push it.
I'm pretty sure. Ready? I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
It's closer. Okay, we gotta take that down as well. We gotta go past it. We gotta fight all the way through over there. Okay? What's your plan?
I'm listening.
They start now?
Take this close hallway and then go left.
I think we're gonna have to push it. We're gonna have to flood the area as fast as we can.
Because they're gonna camp exactly where we were, right? And if they get there first, then it's gonna be uphill, right? We gotta take that spot. Okay?
Oh shit.
Go!
Get out. It's hit already.
Take it! Hold! Got in the corner! His hand is sticking out!
Stick the rod.